Some people often get hiccups. Other people seldom get hiccups. I haven't had hiccups in many years. Whenever people I know get hiccups, I tell them I have an easy cure. If a friend with hiccups asks me what the cure is, I suddenly shout very loudly to scare my friend. Being suddenly frightened sometimes stops the hiccups. It is not a scientific or proven medical fact. I read about it years ago. I tried it on friends several times. Sometimes it worked, other times it did not. I feel there is no harm in trying. A hiccup is a loud noise people make in the throat without wanting to. It is caused by a sudden tightening of the muscle just below the chest. Some hiccups, which happen repeatedly, last for a short time. Others can last for a long time. The word hiccup can have another meaning. Chief Executive Carrie Lam Cheng-Yut-Mo used it last week when answering media questions about coronavirus vaccines. The government has bought 3 types of vaccines, but none of them have arrived. She said there has been a little bit of a hiccup. The word hiccup used this way means a temporary problem that causes delays or interruptions, but does not cause serious difficulties. What the chief executive meant was we should not worry too much about the delay in arrivals of the vaccines. She used another expression when the media asked her about enforcement of testing for the coronavirus. She said enforcement of testing was part and parcel of stopping the spread of the virus. This expression is used when something is a necessary and important part of an issue that cannot be avoided. For example, exercising is part and parcel of keeping fit. Avoiding unhealthy foods is also part and parcel of staying healthy. The chief executive used this expression to say we cannot avoid the enforcement of testing to control the virus.